Potting plants, a simple guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase you might hear, especially if you're interested in gardening. Potting plants. It's not just about putting a plant in a pot. There's more to it. So, let's dig into this topic and help you understand it better. First, let's break down the phrase. Potting refers to the process of placing a plant into a container, which we call a pot. This is often done with small plants or seedlings that need a controlled environment to grow. Potting helps manage the soil, water, and nutrients more effectively for the plant's growth. You might wonder, why do we pot plants? There are several reasons. Potted plants are easier to move around, they can be placed indoors, and they are great for people with limited garden space. Potting also allows you to control the soil type and moisture levels more precisely, which is vital for some plants. Now, let's talk about how to pot a plant. You'll need a pot, some potting soil, and a plant. Here are the steps. 1. Choose the right pot. Make sure it has drainage holes. 2. Fill the pot. Add a layer of potting soil. 3. Place the plant. Gently place the plant in the pot and fill around it with soil. 4. Water the plant. Give it enough water to settle the soil. After potting, plants need care. This includes regular watering, ensuring they get enough sunlight, and sometimes adding fertilizer. Remember, different plants have different needs, so it's important to know the specific requirements of your plant. And that's all about potting plants. It's a simple yet rewarding activity, perfect for gardening enthusiasts or anyone who wants to add a bit of green to their space. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy gardening, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning content.